In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add isometric dimensions in AutoCAD, a crucial skill for anyone working with isometric drawings. When you create these types of drawings, you might notice that the dimensions you add aren't aligned in an isometric view. It's a common issue that can affect the clarity and accuracy of your designs. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process of aligning your dimensions correctly so that your drawings maintain their precision and professionalism. First, we'll start by addressing an oversight you may have encountered: the dimensions in isometric drawings. In a typical workflow, simply adding dimensions doesn't account for the unique angles and perspectives of an isometric view. This can lead to dimensions that seem out of place or difficult to interpret in context. Let's tackle this problem together by making sure those dimensions fit just right. Begin by selecting the dimension in your drawing that you wish to adjust. Ensure that you've accurately identified the part of the drawing that requires alignment. Now, once you've selected the dimension, direct your attention to the command line at the bottom of the AutoCAD interface, which is essentially the powerhouse for inputting commands in AutoCAD. Type in dimension, short for dimension editing, and then press the Enter key. This command will allow us to make precise edits to the dimensions to achieve that perfect isometric alignment. After entering the dimension command, you'll be prompted with several options. Here you'll want to select oblique. The oblique option is your tool of choice for adjusting the angle of your dimensions so they correspond to the isometric perspective of your drawing. This is a critical step because selecting oblique activates the ability to define the angle, ensuring your dimensions are skewed in harmony with the isometric projection. Once you've selected oblique, use your mouse to choose 2 points on your dimension line. Carefully click to ensure accuracy. These points effectively define the angle or direction in which your dimension needs to be aligned. When you adjust these 2 points, you'll see how the dimension realigns itself to fit appropriately within the isometric framework of your drawing. It's quite satisfying to see how this simple adjustment brings clarity and correctness to your work. And that's really all there is to it. By following these steps, not only will your drawings be more legible and professional, but they will also convey exactly what you intend to showcase without any misinterpretation. As you become more familiar with this process, repeating it for additional dimensions becomes second nature. Remember, precision is key, so take your time to make sure each dimension is aligned perfectly within your isometric drawings for the best results. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials.